You won't believe this, but you can now turn any image into a perfectly lip-synced talking character using Kling 2.6, and it works in seconds. Watch this.
Hi, I'm Fuzzy the Orange, the happiest fruit on two legs.
I'm Ducky, partner of Fuzzy in this tutorial.
Bro, AI is taking over everything, even dog training tutorials.
Whale, so robots will teach us how to sip.
Yep, and they don't even need treats.
Ain't no way I'm listening to a robot without snacks.
And here's the crazy part. Anyone can do this. No animation skills, no expensive software. And because these videos pull millions of views, you can monetize them too. Let me show you exactly how to make your own.
Don't skip any part, otherwise you won't be able to create talking character like me.
First, we need to create your cartoon images. For this, I'm using Higgsfield. Why? Because everything is in one place. Higgsfield gives you access to top-tier image models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, GPT Image 1.5, and Flux, and video models like Veo 3, Seedream 1.5 Pro, Kling, Sora 2, and more. For this tutorial, I'm going with GPT Image 1.5 first to generate my cartoon character. It's fast, clean, and perfect for this style of video. Alright, let's set things up first. Select image quality and set it to high. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. Then paste the exact prompt you see on screen. Now hit generate. Alright, our first image is ready, and honestly, it came out exactly how I imagined. Let's create our second cartoon character. This time, I'm making a cute 3D baby duck. Switch the image model to Flux 2 Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and bump the image quality up to 2K. Now hit generate. This one only uses 1.5 credits, so it's super lightweight. And don't worry, I'll give you a full guide with all the image to video and text to video prompts we're using in this tutorial.
A few moments later.
And there we go. Our second cartoon character is ready too. Not gonna lie, I'm really impressed with both models. Let's download both images and move on to the next step. Now it's time to make our cartoon characters talk. And the best part, I don't have to jump between different websites or juggle a bunch of random tools. That's exactly why I use Higgsfield. It's an all-in-one platform built for creators like us. For this step, I'm using Kling 2.6 to turn our images into perfectly lip-synced talking characters. And yes, this model creates videos with audio included. Let's upload our fuzzy orange character first. Now type what you want the character to say. For example, "Hi, I'm Fuzzy the Orange, the happiest fruit on two legs." Next, enable the audio option. Choose your video duration. The aspect ratio will automatically match the image. Now hit generate. This takes a bit of time, so just be patient.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's done.
Hi, I'm Fuzzy the Orange, the happiest fruit on two legs.
The video looks great, but notice this. It added an unnecessary zoom-in effect. No worries, I'll show you how to fix that later. Let's move on to our second character. Upload the duck image and type this line. "And I'm Ducky, partner of Fuzzy in this tutorial." Now, to fix the zoom issue from before, I'm adding one extra instruction. No zoom in or out effect. Hit generate. And there we go.
I'm Ducky, partner of Fuzzy in this tutorial.
This one came out really clean. Smooth lip sync, no weird camera movement. Exactly what we want. Kling 2.6 can now create multi-person conversations with audio from just a single text prompt. So I'm going to create a realistic dog podcast scene. A golden retriever wearing headphones and a French bulldog sitting at a podcast table with two microphones. Golden retriever says, "Bro." Al is taking over everything, even dog training tutorials. French bulldog replies, "Whale, so robots will teach us how to sit?" Golden retriever says, "Yep, and they don't even need treats." French bulldog, "Ain't no way I'm listening to a robot without snacks." Let's paste this prompt. This time, I'm setting duration to 10 seconds, which will double the credits and aspect ratio to 16:9. Let's wait for the output.
Bro, AI is taking over everything, even dog training tutorials?
Rail, so robots will teach us how to sip.
Yep, and they don't even need treats.
Ain't no way I'm listening to a robot without snacks.
The lip sync is insanely accurate. Alright, it's time to experiment it for a meme-style podcast. I created this image using GPT Image Generator. I forgot to record that part for you, but I'll add that prompt in the guide too. So we are going to animate the panda and donkey inside a cardboard box looking down at the camera. Panda will say, "Are we supposed to do something?" Then the donkey will reply, "No, just stare, it works." It's done.
Are we supposed to do something? No. Just stare. It works.
It's a totally meme-style video, perfect to capture attention of the viewers and to make them stop scrolling. Lastly, I used this detailed prompt to create a podcast video of Rapunzel style girl and a Spider-Man. It includes all dialogues that I want my characters to say. It turned out so cool. Let me show you.
You save the city but still take the subway?
Webs are expensive, okay?
I lived in a tower and had better signal.
Wow, roasted by magical hair.
This hair survived guards and trauma.
My suit can't survive pizza delivery.
And that's it. That's how you can make any image talk, your favorite cartoon character, or even the one you don't like. Once you're inside Higgsfield, you can explore a lot more powerful tools too. You can fine-tune your images by adjusting lighting position, color temperature, and brightness to get the perfect look. If you want to level things up even more, you can edit or upscale your videos using Topaz. Just upload your images or videos and boost their resolution and overall quality in seconds. And yes, face swap in videos is also available. So whether you're creating talking cartoons, reels, or AI videos, everything you need is right here. Follow for more AI tricks that actually work